Importance of vaccination in prevention of diseases. We are going to see what are vaccines, how they work, prevention, vaccines in preventing diseases, then the importance of vaccines. So moving towards first slide, what is vaccine? A substance used to stimulate the production of antibodies and providing immunity against one or several diseases. Basically, a vaccine is a substance used to prevent the spread of disease, usually using a kill or weakened form of disease. So, vaccine is nothing but a kill, that is inactivated form of disease causing viruses and bacteria, which causes a specific disease. Then, how do vaccines work? So, an inactive form of the disease is introduced to the body, that is vaccine. The body creates antibodies to defend itself. As a result, the body starts creating antibodies. These antibodies then work to destroy any occurrence of the live diseases. In future, if we come in contact with that particular virus or bacteria which causes disease, and we are vaccinated, then we are not no more susceptible to that disease. So prevention. Why prevention? Because prevention is always better than cure. As said, disease is easier to prevent than to treat. So prevention is better cause it causes negligible cost. It provides us a healthy life and happy family, and even a surety that we are no more susceptible to a particular disease, and we are safe from that disease. While in the process of being cured, a person gets infected, then it transfers to others, and he or she suffers, and even lots of expenses occur during the treatment, and it is time consuming, and more than that it is a painful condition, and even family also suffers stress. That's why curing before curing we must prevent disease. Vaccines in preventing diseases. Diseases that used to be common in India and around the world can now be prevented by vaccination. So, such as polio, measles, diphtheria, whooping cough, rubella, mumps, tetanus. There are very rare cases of these diseases found now, just because a large amount of people has been vaccinated before, and these most of the diseases are eradicated. Basic importance of vaccination. Vaccination protects children from serious illness and complication of vaccines preventable diseases. Children are safe from diseases which can prevent by vaccinating. Vaccination protects other you care about, including family, friend. Protects others because we are not susceptible to that disease, and if we are healthy, then we are no more responsible for the causing disease to other person. Many dangerous infectious diseases can be prevented in simple and effective way just by vaccinating. Vaccine activates our immune system without making us sick. There is a controversy that vaccines are not safe just because they are prepared by the that virus or bacteria which causes that disease. But the inactivated virus or bacteria is not harmful as to cause disease and fall us sick. It is only capable of producing the activation of immune system, that is production of antibodies, prevents the disease from spreading and returning. Some of the diseases are eradicated from world just because of vaccination. Importance of vaccination. Benefits of vaccines extend beyond the prevention of specific diseases in individual, because they enable a rich, multifaceted harvest for society and nation. Vaccination makes good economic sense just because there is a lot of cost for treatment, and vaccinating is the very simple and easy treatment, meets the need to care for weakest member of society, reducing the global child mortality. Vaccines in community protection. There is a transmitting case and two sides. A1 is poor vaccination coverage and B is good vaccination coverage. In poor vaccination coverage, there is a susceptible, vaccinated, protected and infected persons. So you can see susceptible are more, while as vaccinated are one or two, and in case any infected persons comes in the contact with the susceptible also get infected by that diseases, and in such a way the outbreak of that disease occurs. We all are facing corona just because we don't have vaccine right now. Most of the peoples are facing corona and getting affected by the corona. In a case B, good vaccination coverage. If more of the people from the community are vaccinated, in case any person get affected by the disease or get infected, then it will transfer to only the susceptible one or two that people we are which are not vaccinated. But more people from the community are vaccinated. That's why there is no outbreak and a healthy community is there. What would happen if we stop vaccinating children and adults? The disease would start coming back. As lots of diseases, as we have seen before, like polio and all, are eradicated at a very large amount. But if we stopped vaccinating the source of the polio, that is that virus or bacteria is present in environment, but the antibodies in our body that protects us from that. So if we stop vaccinating, then the production of antibodies in our body will stop and we will be susceptible to the disease again. Aside from smallpox, all other diseases are still active in some part. Just because there is no vaccine available, if we don't stay vaccinated, the disease will come back surely. Conclusion, we conclude that a comprehensive vaccination program is a cornerstone of good public health and will reduce poverty and inactivities. The more people will be healthier, the more will be community, and the healthier will be the nation. Thank you.